Hi, this is the exercise bike that my wife got off Amazon. It is a very good bike. It's comfortable to use, adjustable, and it was very easy to put together. I don't like putting things together out of the box, but this bike only took me seriously only about 15 minutes to put together. Very easy instructions. The only thing, honestly, that I do not really care for, now I don't have my shoes on, just got socks feet, but is these pedals here. Sometimes, like, they're always flipping down there, so it's a little tricky at first to get your feet into them. But I just sit here and I put it in front of my television and I watch television while I'm on the bike. It does have a display here. It cycles through. And a good place to sit here and hold your phone. And there's me on the bike. So hopefully this is going to help me lose a little bit of weight. And, you know, I can do it while I'm watching TV. Love it.
Starting with the handlebars. This is them tightened as much as they can go, with a piece of cardboard shoved in there to try and make it tighter. And then, when you're actually going on this, you can hear all the squeaks and creaks. And let's tighten this up as far as it can go. Legs slowing, but here we are, tight as it can go, and I'm still able to pedal, sitting.
I've had this bike for a little over 5 months now. I gotta say, it really holds up nice. I mean, I've put it through rigorous workouts, cardio every morning, sometimes in the evening, so I'll use it twice a day, 7 days a week. And for the price point, I mean, I highly recommend it for sure. The pieces hold up nice. Nothing is falling.
Hey guys, today I'm reviewing this magnetic stationary bike. It has a monitor with your basic needs. It's pretty standard, but it's very functional. It's easy assembly, but you definitely have to tighten the front and back legs at the same time so that there's no wobble. It has 16 levels of resistance. It's a knob, so you definitely have to get used to where the resistance is at. There's a water bottle holder, but it is
C'était un peu.
La France a marqué 4-3. Derek,
Ouais.
c'était 3 pour la France.
This indoor exercise bicycle from Amazon. It was very easy to order, was delivered to our doorstep in a couple of